discover the innovative GRIN-MoE model by Microsoft. This AI model excels in coding and mathematics tasks with only 6 GB active parameters. It uses sparse mix of V for expert routing, avoiding expert parallelism, and token dropping. GRIN-MoE is ideal for memory and compute-constrained environments, latency-bound scenarios, and strong reasoning tasks. It's designed for commercial and research use, accelerating language, and multimodal model research. Use the command line demo for quick inference or the interactive demo for customized inputs. Compare GRIN-MoE's performance with other models on various benchmarks. The model was trained by Microsoft with a 4K token context length and released under the MIT license in September 2024. Be aware of potential biases and ensure responsible AI practices.